The following segment is sponsored by Domino's.
Did you know that Domino's sells an average of 3 million pizzas a day? Katie Trumbull is here to share exciting insights about Domino's newly launched 5-cheese mac and cheese, along with fun facts about the company's history and innovative menu expansions. Katie, welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me.
Of course, it's always a good day when I get to talk about pizza. All right, tell us about Domino's newest product.
Well, we've been cooking up something perfect for fall in mac and cheese. It is delicious, it's warm, it's cheesy, and it comes in 2 mouth-watering varieties. There's 5-cheese mac and cheese, and there's spicy buffalo 5-cheese mac and cheese. And if you want an extra bit of flavor and spice, you can upgrade it to add bacon or jalapeno or both.
Okay, that sounds and looks so amazing. In honor of the new 5-cheese mac and cheese, you actually have fun facts for us. Number 1, what is the busiest day of the year?
So the busiest day of the year at Domino's is the big game, New Year's Eve, and then coming up very soon, Halloween.
Love that. Okay, how many pizzas are actually sold on the day of the big game?
Yeah, there's over 2 million pizzas sold on that Sunday, and when you compare that to our average Sunday, that's 40% more pizzas.
That is so amazing. Not surprising, but amazing. What are some of the most interesting delivery locations?
So we have this innovation called Pinpoint Delivery, and you can go into our app and drop a pin on the map wherever you are. If you don't have an address, that's okay. We'll bring the pizza almost anywhere, whether you're at the beach, the dog park, or a sporting event.
Love that. Okay, what is the world's fastest pizza maker's record?
So Joanna Mendez holds that record. She this year actually broke multiple records. She made 3 large pizzas in under 39.3 seconds, and she made them beautifully and perfectly. And the other fun fact is she happens to be the first woman to be the world's fastest pizza maker.
That is so amazing. Just that footage. Look at her go. Okay, what is the most popular pizza topping in the United States? I have a guess, but I want to hear what it is.
All right, I bet your guess is right. It's pepperoni, followed by sausage, and then we have bacon, and then mushroom, and then the most hotly debated online and in conversation around pizza is pineapple. So pineapple actually makes the top 5.
Okay, there you go. And I was right. I was thinking pepperoni. So where can we find the mac and cheese? And can you share any deals you have going on right now?
Yes, it's available across our locations nationwide. And you can find it at Domino's.com. It's part of our biggest, best deal, our $6.99 mix and match. And if you're a Domino's Rewards member, you can get an order of mac and cheese for free with 60 points.
Okay, so yummy. Katie, thank you so much for joining us today. It's been a blast.
It's been a pleasure. Thank you.